Hello, this is Chaz Bicknell with Realty One Group MVP in one of my favorite neighborhoods, Longshore Lake. Yes, lake. It's all one, all combined. Many people like to say Longshore Lakes, but it's Longshore Lake. I just think it's funny because I was corrected on that 27 years ago, early in my career, the first time I sold one in here. Anyway, this is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, with a den, 2-car garage, and a wonderful lake view. Wait until you see in this beautiful, updated, upgraded home. So much room and space. So tastefully decorated. Let's check out the first bedroom with lots of storage space, a beautiful bathroom. And the master suite with pocket sliders out to the pool area off of each of the rooms. Lots and lots of space. Big walk-in closet. If you'd like to see this home, call me anytime at 239-272-4442. Look at this awesome view. Pocket doors off of each room. Nice area under the lanai. If it's raining, you can sit on your back porch area. Big open kitchen, living room, dining room, family room, however you want to set this up. All new appliances, all new flooring. To see more details and information, check out below. We have a description, pricing, more links to other homes. You can see all properties in Southwest Florida for sale on my website at www.chazbicknell.com. There's a link below for that as well. If you like these videos, please like, share, and subscribe. Nice laundry room with a nice oversized 2-car garage. Again, if you have any questions or need assistance, this is Longshore Lake, and I'm here to help you at 239-272-4442.